Before you see the video, let me tell you a few things about this hat-trick. This is the first hat-trick accomplished by Wasim Akram in one-day internationals. It was against West Indies in a Sharjah Cup match in 1989. The special thing about that hat-trick was that all of the batsmen were bowled. Remember that in 1989, Wasim Akram was bowling at his peak at about 145 kilometers per hour. Moreover, Imran Khan was the captain of the team, and as you would know later in the video, that Imran Khan helped Wasim Akram in completing his hat-trick. By the way, at that time, West Indies was a very formidable side with players like Marshall, Ambrose, Walsh, Lara, Hooper, and Richardson playing in the side. Wasim bowling, Seaman is batting. Wasim comes up with a short run and yorked him with a sharpened swinger. Next to come is Marshall, and he is no mug with the bat. Wasim bowls a very fast and big in-swinger. Marshall just could not do anything. For Ambrose, Imran tells Wasim to bowl an outswinger. Wasim bowls an outswinger as told and gets his hat-trick. Actually, this thing about Imran telling Wasim Akram to bowl an outswinger was actually disclosed by Wasim Akram in a TV program. Moreover, according to Wasim Akram, Imran Khan said that the next batsman would also be expecting an in-swinger. Therefore, bowl him an outswinger. By the way, merely bowling in-swingers and outswingers is not enough to get the batsman. Actually, Wasim's swinging deliveries were different. They were out-and-out fast and would swing miles. So, that was the first hat-trick achieved by Wasim Akram. Indeed, that was a great achievement from Wasim Akram. By the way, that was not the only hat-trick achieved by Wasim Akram. He made another hat-trick in a one-day match and two more in test matches. The next one-day hat-trick came against Australia in 1990, again in Sharjah. And no need to mention that Australia at that time was a great side. The two hat-tricks in the test matches came in two consecutive test matches. Wow, what a player. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos on cricket, please subscribe our channel.